In this video, I'm going to show you how to make increases and decreases with a single crochet stitch. An increase is used to make your piece larger. To create an increase, you'll work 2 single crochet stitches into one stitch. Here you can see the first single crochet stitch, and we'll be working the second in that same loop. On this piece, I'm only increasing on the ends. And again, I'll be working 2 single crochet stitches into that last stitch. After doing a few rows with increases on each side, you'll see that the piece starts to get wider. Now that we've learned how to increase, let's learn how to decrease. A decrease is used to make your piece smaller. Essentially, you're taking 2 stitches and making them 1. First, you'll insert your hook into the first stitch and draw up a loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Next, you'll insert your hook into the second stitch and draw up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Then you'll yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. We've completed a single crochet decrease. On this piece, I'm only decreasing on the ends. And again, insert your hook into the first stitch and draw up a loop. And insert your hook into the second stitch and draw up a loop. Then you'll yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. After doing a few rows with decreases on each side, you'll see that the piece starts to get more narrow. Here you can see that just the single crochet rows keep a straight line, while the increases make the piece larger and the decreases make the piece smaller.